consultations akɛseɛ akɔ so. I'm a senior man at Chelsea Shatawale, Chelsea baby, and a dad no pay. I didn't know Bemana Basso. As I radio call ho, Nkomobi APA so, my memo SFB na yen reacted. Say, no, the baby and the corner, so I saw a Stone boy lesson pa because Stone ending up pere ache, tien same way, my man.
Well, I just want to tell my fans that they should keep voting because, you know, I believe there is a car at stake.
They say, you know, he's pleading with the guys that everything is narrowed down to the votes. Now he has gotten the confirmation. Kululu be a woman, to say it is fair play. So it's all about voting. He's begging the guys.
You know, this artist I'm about to beef, he has not given his fan no car before. They want to battle, not to vote and win the car. You know what I mean? Let him know that when we vote to win cars. Even now, checking on the internet and, you know, people voting on MTN and stuff like that. I'm seeing some, you know. Like
I'm going to show you how it stands now, the votes. My
fans, show them say we this street. La Wu, La Ri, many understand say they use better, they make money. Vote more, then we take the car.
Maybe so he's telling his followers that they should vote more because it's all about voting. Beam for us why a wall on one side. It is happening this Saturday, the 12th of September, Asasu Radio Sound Clash to Crash COVID no. A course of this Saturday. The Omobabe Vieno Kra na Shatta San sending this one and the Stone Boy.
Don. Now, I want to tell Stone Boy saying, if you know the fear your father, make you not take him your father in there. You know what I mean?
He's quoting something. It is you can say a proverbial statement. Was Stone Boys on Shoni father, meaning if he's not afraid of Saminia, make you not come in top. If Stone Boy, you know, say on his Samini, and you on the Shatawale so.
Was me having father. And in father will catch him on the top and I go lash him. He said lash him, I go disgrace him too. I go naked down.
He's saying on the 12th no, or be naked no. Now I don't know Shatta can assembly really or G2 no, and SM boys the senior yes so let you down there. And an SM follower about or a very popular or Facebook no so pa a ba SMU near or Dimu atintimaye. Your friend, a dinner down, your friend said Patrick Mensanati. To a buyer now, and also said 9 minutes ago, and I said, I love competition, no retreat, no surrender. We are here, Shatta movement. To a church, we are here, Shatta movement. Now, you know, initially, I'm a church and a votes, no. Baby, and a votes, no, a dano. Now votes, no. Stone Boy, a frack of 40,000, and a Shatta nam 29,000, and no, any problem in the banner. To yes, no retreat, no surrender, no, and a guy, no, Gina, so instant. And I'll be shaky votes we go to radio. Or Gina, so your 1,000 votes for Shatawale in Asasu Radio 99.5 sound clash polls have been received successfully. Or Gina, so 2,000 votes. From 1,000, no, and was by your another 1,000 BMO. Your 1,000 votes for Shatawale in Asasu Radio Sound Clash, no, has been received successfully. To the check a time, now media two, no, to 2,000, you know what to know. That is 2,000. From there, and I was about to Asuha. And a third one, almost about your 1,000 votes was out to another 1,000. From then was out to 4,000. From then was out to 2,000. And this individual, and Mera Shatawale say, I'm coming back now. And what Gina so and what ball 2,000 plus 4,000, that is 6,000. So let's check this one. This is 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 6,000 plus another 2,000, 8,000. And I was Bahana was out to 2,000 BNB. This individual no one so to 10,000. And other SM boys also teach now. So as it stands now, this is the scores. She says, "We have a done Shatta fro a lady the mantle now. They say what that 42,798 votes and a Stone Boy. So a dinner cheat 42,626 votes. So even vote difference no cry a new 200. The thing is happening on Saturday, the 12th of September. Carway and a dasso. Carway and a da adiana sono. Enti, baby, a mature scores in the dano. It is keenly contested. Keenly contested. The determinant on Nippon on begin as the winner, and it is solely dependent on votes. Into almost baby, a drone where Shatawale is leading, but it is in a close margin, less than 200. So these two individuals, they are begging that the followers should make them proud. Stone wants to win the car. Shatta wants to win the car. Shatta, Oma Konifie and Aqua Casa, Tiasia Juma, Oma Stone Boys, who are Munina Kadiombeka. Shatta Wale says he's going to teach the guy a lesson on that day. He will teach him that he is the father of dancehall music. He is the king. The Stone Boy and he is the son in the game. He is the father. One God versus Shatta movement. So we are also around monitoring things. In the assistance now there, new information about Shatta Wale will be partaking in the Clash to Crash COVID on the 12th of September, SAS radio program. Shatta. But then what just a Kululu there, he doesn't embrace her name. And this year tour, let the vote work. And yes, I feel no be fair chili, no go me. And mature, if you are SM or BIM, the scores are keenly contested now. Shatta Wale is leading with 42,798 votes, and Stone Boy is following with 42,626 votes. We still have to Saturday, and we are begging Ghana. We are begging, make these artists proud. If you're a BIM Nation, make your artists proud. If you belong to SM, make Shatta Wale proud. And the voting, that is not just it. They've made it in a way that the followers, the person who will vote the highest will also receive a car. And the car and the Toyota Eja. To wow, but two bebre no, over to me and your Toyota Eja. Now the code to vote. So if you want to vote for Shatta Wale, a star 800 star 995 star 1 hash. Shatta Wale star 800 star 995 star 1 hash. To vote for Stone Boy, it is star 800 star 995 star 2 hash. So the difference is that Shatta Wale code is the same, but the end no Shatta has 1 hash and Stone Boy is 2 hash. So we are begging Ghana. Saturday is going to be fireworks. To be a bragging rights, no be a money there. Last week, I'm going to Stone Boy, and then Shatta said, no, I'm not going to take part because of some suspicions, but they've cleared the air now. The game is on, and we are also here to hype the program. We are here to let the followers understand what it entails for this crash. Kodbiki TV, I am always on your highway like a sniper. Thank you.